Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. This is the Momentum Directional Indicator with Alarm, a tool designed to track price movement and alert traders when momentum shifts direction. At the top of the chart, labels display real-time updates on market direction. These labels offer quick insight into the most recent momentum changes, helping traders stay in sync with price action. The Momentum Directional label appears when the stock price shifts from falling to rising or rising to falling momentum. A green label represents an upward shift, and red label represents a downward shift in direction. The last up label shows the price where the most recent upward momentum began. It remains visible even after the move has passed, giving traders a reference point for when the last bullish shift occurred. The last down label marks the price where the most recent downward momentum began. It helps traders stay aware of when the last bearish signal was triggered and where it happened. Arrows on the chart mark these turning points. A down arrow signals it may be time to exit a long position or consider going short. An up arrow suggests it's time to exit a short position or look for a long entry. These simple markers help guide decision-making in real time. So how does it work? At the core of the indicator is a momentum calculation. It compares the current closing price to the closing price from 12 bars ago. If the price has risen, momentum is positive. If it's fallen, momentum is negative. An arrow appears when momentum crosses zero. If it crosses above, a blue up arrow is shown. If it crosses below, an orange down arrow is displayed. These crossovers are the foundation of the indicator's signals. Each time an arrow appears, the price at that moment is saved and displayed in the last up or last down label. These values persist until a new momentum shift occurs, keeping traders grounded in the most recent directional change. By combining directional arrows, price labels, and audio alerts, the Momentum Directional Indicator helps traders quickly recognize trend shifts and respond with clarity without overcomplicating the chart. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools, and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.